Hello, and welcome to our lesson on entering deposits into QuickBooks. This will be yet another quick lesson as we work our way through the mechanics of actually working within QuickBooks. So, in a previous lesson, we've talked about receiving payments from clients, and we talked about using something called undeposited funds, which is very similar to that inbox that sits on your desk. So as you collect payments, you're not physically going to go to the bank every single time a payment comes in. Most likely you're going to wait until you have a few, or you're going to enter them on your phone once or twice a week. So we want to make sure that whatever bank deposit you physically make, be it whether it's physically at the bank or on your bank app on your phone, that it matches what is in QuickBooks. So we're going to walk through entering a deposit into QuickBooks together. So we're going to click on the Create button, and then we're going to go under this other column here and click on Bank Deposit. So in this case, our test company here received two payments from clients totaling, and we're going to click these two here, $2,062.52. We're going to deposit it today into our checking account. If I, for some reason, if I have multiple checking accounts or a savings account that I was depositing into, I want to make sure I choose the correct account and the correct date. So I have these two payments here, and then all that I would have to do in this case is hit save and close. However, I want to make this example a little bit more complicated. I want to say that we actually receive some additional cash. So we're going to say sales of product income, cash sales, for an additional $1,000. And what this does is it changes our total deposit to $3,062.52. $2,062.52 was for the initial payments and another $1,000 for the cash. We're going to hit save and close. And this way, I wanted to make sure what I physically recorded in QuickBooks matched what was actually made at the bank. And this allows me that when I go to my banking to see what was downloaded from the bank, I can see, oh, great, there's a deposit that matches. In this case, this is just an example, so this is not the deposit that we just made. But if it was, I could just click match and be done with it. It'll be taken care of until it's time to reconcile at the end of the month. If you have any questions about making deposits in QuickBooks Online, please jot them in the Facebook group, and we will get those answered as soon as possible. Thank you.